Chasing rainbows, understanding idioms in English. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to explore a colorful and intriguing phrase in the English language, chasing rainbows. This idiom is not just about weather or colors, but it holds a deeper meaning in our conversations and literature. Let's embark on this journey to understand what it means to chase rainbows and how you can use this phrase in your daily English communication. The phrase, chasing rainbows, is an idiom. In English, an idiom is a phrase where the words together have a meaning that is different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. To chase rainbows means to pursue something that is unrealistic, unattainable, or highly unlikely to happen. The beauty and rarity of rainbows make them a perfect metaphor for dreams or goals that are desirable but very difficult to achieve. The origin of chasing rainbows is quite fascinating. This phrase has been used in literature and speech for centuries. It is believed to have been inspired by the old folklore that a pot of gold can be found at the end of a rainbow, guarded by a leprechaun. While the imagery is captivating, it also highlights the impossibility of the task. No one can find the end of a rainbow, just like some dreams and goals cannot be reached despite one's efforts. 1. Metaphorically speaking, you might say, he's always chasing rainbows, trying to invent a machine that can predict the future. 2. As a gentle warning, to a friend who is taking on too many unrealistic projects, you might advise, I love your creativity, but make sure you're not just chasing rainbows. 3. To express sympathy. When someone fails to achieve an unrealistic goal, you might comment, she was chasing rainbows, but I admire her ambition. Chasing rainbows has influenced various aspects of culture, including literature, music, and movies. It's often used to symbolize the human condition of pursuing dreams and aspirations. The phrase reminds us that while it's important to have dreams, it's also crucial to recognize which are attainable and which might be mere illusions. We hope you've enjoyed exploring the colorful world of the idiom, chasing rainbows. Understanding such phrases is not just about expanding your vocabulary, but also about gaining insights into the culture and nuances of the English language. May your learning journey be as enriching as chasing a rainbow, but with more attainable successes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting insights into English language learning. Until next time,